Buenos dias, Sparrows. Let's going to continue with our new unit of measurement, and we were looking at a new way of measuring. We were talking about measuring not more weights, we were looking at lengths, yeah? So we were measuring lengths. So we use rulers. Some rulers can be counting if it is a big ruler like this one that goes up to a meter. They are counting in tens, well done. And this one goes up to 100. And what did we say that 100 is the same as? 1 meter, it is, well done. So there are another type of rulers like the school ones. And these ones are smaller, but still counting in the same unit, the unit that we are going to work on today. And they count in, I don't know if you can see it, let me see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are they counting in? They're counting in ones, well done. So that's a way, and then we have the other, the tape measure that it was really muddy, so I'm not going to use it today, but it counts in ones. Let me see. We saw then, yesterday we were working on this unit. Today we are going to be working on this one. This unit is a meter, and this unit is called centimeter. Now, we said that 1 meter equals how many centimeters? 100. And let me tell you something, and maybe you can remember it. I don't know if you will, hopefully. That's how I remember it. Cent. You know the word century? Cent as money in Spain. We use euros and cents. Not here you use pence. But cent, same as in English now. Now it's an English lesson. It comes from cien, which in Spanish cien equals 100. That's 100 in Spanish is cien. And that's why it's cent, and it comes from the same, okay? I don't know if it's Latin or Greek, I need to check it, but it comes from cent, that means 100. Century, 100 years, centimeters, 100 to get to the meter, okay? Right, hopefully I haven't confused you with that. So we know that to get 1 meter, we need 100 centimeters. What is the same as if you see here, my little horse, my ruler, right, if you see here, my little horse, yeah, I need, let's see what is the size of my little horse? It is 100, it is 1 centimeter, isn't it? So that means that to get 1 meter, I need a big line, a big long line of 100 horses to get 1 meter. So 100 of them in a line, it will make 1 meter, okay? So the same as when we were working on mass, on weighting, yeah, and then we saw that 1 kilogram, that was one way of measurement, kilograms, and the other unit was grams, and then we knew that 1 kilogram was 1,000 grams. Here, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So if you need to measure something like this, and you know that this is 100 centimeters, this is 1 meter. What unit will you use to measure a rubber? Will you use meter or centimeter? centimeter because it's small, isn't it? So that's why we use meters to measure big distance, long distance. Okay, so today your work, you are going to need to go around again for another hunt around your house and try to measure different objects, different items on centimeters. So if you have a little ruler, like in our school one, or if you have a tape measure, mommies, Logan, I saw you have one, and I saw how you put it on the floor and how you were jumping to get your meter. So if you do that, you can try to measure different items using centimeters, okay? So remember that more or less, a centimeter is, look how tiny, this is 1 centimeter, which then more or less, this is 1 centimeter, more or less this will be 10 centimeters, if it's not. Let's see, let's check, Miss Lopez, to see if you're right. Yeah, not too bad. And then you need a long one to get 1 meter. Okay, so use small items, not that small, but smaller than these, so you can try to measure it with centimeters. Right, see you tomorrow. Adios.